Metroid is a family business built on 5 generations of electrical engineering experience. For over 30 years, we've delivered high-quality, custom industrial control switchboards for many of Australia's prime infrastructure, mining and industrial projects. We don't just build switchboards, we build long-term partnerships, earning trust through thorough understanding of the needs of each project and by consistent delivery.
Every step of the process is done in-house, meaning full control of the success of your project. This includes estimating, design, fabrication, powder coating, assembly, wiring, programming, testing, commissioning, tech support.
Our in-house team adapts fast with a flexible can-do approach. We have a suite of over 25 purpose-built systems that enable us to deliver consistent quality on every project. Some of these include Project Portal, providing customer real-time project tracking, CAD/CIS, driving standardisation and quality of electrical designs, WireSys, semi-automating the wiring process, ensuring highest quality.
With ISO 9001 quality certification, quality is assured at every step, including software that provides full traceability and data tracking across over 30 quality gates, from estimating all the way through to commissioning.
When you partner with Metroid, you get more than a switchboard. You get a dependable, flexible team who are with you all the way.